Hi students. Today we are going to discuss about the present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous to express the idea of an activity, a task, a piece of work and so on in progress until recently or until the time of speaking. For example, have you been working in the garden all day? You look exhausted. So in this example we see that the person has started working in the morning and it has been continuing until the time of speaking. So we can say that this action has started in the past and it has been continuing until the time of speaking. Let us see another example. She has been writing the book since she was in her 20s and at last it's finished. Notice that we often use time expressions to say how long the activity has been in progress. Time expressions like all day, since a particular time. Such time expressions we use in order to specify the duration of activity. We have to remember that we don't use the present perfect continuous with the verbs such as belong, know, like or dislike, understand, and so on, that describe unchanging states. For example, have you known each other long? So here we can't use have you been knowing. Let us see another example. I haven't liked ice cream since I ate too much and was sick. Next, here I am going to talk about a situation where we get embarrassed, where to use present perfect or present perfect continuous. Where do we use present perfect or present perfect continuous tense? When we talk about situations that exist until the present, we often use either the present perfect or present perfect continuous. For example, where is Dr. Sharma's office? Sorry, I don't know. I haven't been working here for long. Or, I haven't worked here for long. Both the sentences give the same meaning. Present perfect continuous emphasizes on the activity of working. Present perfect emphasizes the state of having a job. Though they give the same meaning, there is slight difference. So that is what expressed here. So when we use present perfect continuous, it emphasizes on the activity of working. Whereas present perfect talks about the situation of having a job. Next, we are going to discuss another situation where we use present perfect and present perfect continuous to express same idea. We often use the present perfect or the present perfect continuous to talk about something that has recently finished if we can still see its results. However, we generally use the present perfect continuous with the verbs that suggest extended or repeated activity. For example, he has broken his finger and is in a lot of pain. Here we note that though this action has recently finished, it is not an extended activity or repeated activity. So here we can use he has been breaking his finger because it is not a repeated activity. Let us see another example. He has been playing football all afternoon and needs a shower. So here it is better to use present perfect continuous than present perfect because it has been a continuous activity. he has been playing football all afternoon. So it shows a continuous or extended activity. Next, we are going to talk about the use of present perfect continuous. That this tense is used when we draw a conclusion from what we can see, hear, and so on. We often use this form to complain or criticize. For example, who has been messing around with my purpose? They are all over the place. You have been eating chocolate, haven't you? Here we have to note that when we talk about the result of circumstances or an activity, we use the present perfect rather than the present perfect continuous. When we talk about the result of circumstances, when we focus on the process, we often use either the present perfect or the present perfect continuous. For example, prices have decreased by 7%. Here we cannot say prices have been decreasing by 7%. Whereas we can say prices have been decreasing recently. Or another example, I have used 3 tins of paint on the kitchen walls. Here we cannot use I have been using 3 tins of paint on the kitchen walls because it is not an extended activity. We are talking about the result. Whereas we use the present perfect continuous to emphasize that an activity is ongoing and repeated. While the present perfect suggests that the activity is happened only once or in a specified number of occasions, the present perfect continuous emphasizes on the ongoing activity. Let us see an example. Joseph has been kicking a football against the wall all day. Here, it is better than Joseph has kicked a football against the wall all day. It is perfect continuous is better because it is a repeated action, an ongoing action. Let us see another example. He has played for the national team in 65 matches so far.